morning. My name is Larry Buller, and Buller Enterprises is proud to present the Cable Pro. Like the popular Panel Pro CNC panel cutter, the Cable Pro is a solution that combines the power of a personal computer and a microprocessor to make your installation job easier. What does the Cable Pro do? The Cable Pro checks the continuity of one or both ends of a multi-pin cable against a standard. It makes the technician's task easier and more accurate. Frequently, one end of a wire is connected on a wiring bench and the other is connected in the aircraft. The technician must identify the wires and, even if marked, verify that they have continuity as the schematic is drawn. You know how hard it is to identify the pins on installed equipment. These conditions can lead to time-consuming errors. The Cable Pro takes the place of the equipment your cable connects to. One adapter can be used on many different pieces of equipment with just the loading of a computer file. The optional plug extender shown helps insertion into those tiny places. Now you can forget about trying to read those tiny pin numbers. Rather than trying to determine pin locations one by one, probe the end you are connecting in the aircraft with the built-in logic probe. The verbal enunciation of pin number and/or the description of the function allows the technician to stay where the cable terminates rather than running back and forth to move one end of a probe to a pin that you couldn't see in the first place. The Cable Pro is excellent for testing complete cables. Gone is the error-prone point-to-point testing. Verifying that each pin is connected correctly and report on missing and incorrect connections for easy rework. The Cable Pro can check 5,625 possible connections in less than 1/10 of a second. Add a second Cable Pro to test 22,500 possible combinations in just a few seconds. How long do you suppose it will take a technician to do that pin by pin? The Cable Pro generates a report that can be archived and printed. The Cable Pro also reports detailed failure items to facilitate rework. In addition to text reports, the screen gives a visual representation of the defects. Show special: buy a Cable Pro and save $50. Stop by booth 711 for a demo and information on how to get a Cable Pro for free. See the Cable Pro at Edmo booth 711 and Aero Express booth 502. Thank you.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 58th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Dallas, Texas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
The debate is no longer about upgrading GA aircraft with NextGen, it's about financing it. The NextGen GA Fund is about doing just that. Find out more at www.nextgenfund.com.
Today's pilots must have power for electronic flight bags, tablets, iPads, and communication devices. The TA102 dual USB charging port delivers more power with less hassles. Available from your local Avionics dealer.
NavWorks makes ADS-B affordable. Certified or experimental, NavWorks gives you high-quality next-gen avionics solutions that dramatically increase your situational awareness. Check us out now on the web at www.navworks.com.